I'm showing you how easily you can make a creamy and healthy cilantro lime crema with cottage cheese and Greek yogurt. You simply blend together cottage cheese, Greek yogurt, cilantro, lime juice, fresh garlic, and olive oil for a rich and creamy dressing. It tastes incredible on tacos, salad, nachos, dips, and the list goes on and on. And the best part is that it's high in protein and probiotics. To make my cilantro lime crema with cottage cheese, I'm going to use the chopper cup that comes with my immersion blender. And I'm going to start with 1 cup of cottage cheese, and you can use low fat, non-fat, large curd, small curd, whatever your preference. And then I'll add half a cup of Greek yogurt, and then I'll start with 3 tablespoons of light olive oil. And then for delicious flavor, we're going to add our lime juice. And I'm going to take 1 lime here and cut it in half. And then use my little lime squeezer, and out comes the juice. I'll squeeze the other half. And then I've just peeled 1 clove of garlic, and then I'm just going to finely chop it and add 1 clove of garlic to our bowl. And then I'll take a bunch of cilantro and cut off the leaves, and then give them a rough chop. So we'll add 1/4 cup of cilantro leaves, and we'll add a 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon onion powder. And then I'll simply put on the lid and mix until it's well combined. Ooh, that looks good. And then we get this beautiful lime crema. Or you can thin it out a little bit if you're going to be pouring it. To thin it out, you could add another tablespoon or 2 of your olive oil, or you could add a little bit of milk of your choice. And my favorite way to sample it is on a chip, of course. Oh man, that tastes so good. I need seconds. That is an incredible burst of lime tangy flavor. And I love using the cottage cheese because it does give it that slightly cheesy feel to it, but by blending it down, you don't have the cottage cheese texture. And then the Greek yogurt brings in a little bit more tang as well. And the lime juice just wakes up all the flavors, and it has just the right amount of seasoning to it. Well, thank you so much for hanging out with me to make this delicious sauce. And I've included a link to the full recipe, and it's in the video description below. And I also invite you to like and subscribe to my channel. And if you know someone else who you think would love this recipe, please share this video with them. And I cannot wait to have you hang out with me again in my kitchen.